Good morning. I am Jordan Romero Mahorning in telecommunication. Um, okay, in today's presentation, I want to show the log of the company college learning English with Jordan. Okay, okay. To create the logo, several proposal with student to see which one is the best of all. Okay, the treat option. Okay, after saying several options, we found the best option for the logo. Okay, and the logo cost is not very high, and which were a million. So this often seems the best to me since it is very simple and beautiful. Okay, um, with the logo ready, we are going to see the uh, product that can have the logo to be able to produce them. Okay, okay. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you like to look. Thank you. Bye.